Dear friends, welcome to another episode of GeoWar News. Today, we will explore the growing controversy surrounding manned fighter aircraft, especially the F-35 program, following another hard-hitting criticism from Elon Musk. According to Musk, the days of traditional piloted fighters are numbered, with autonomous and increasingly lethal drones poised to dominate the skies. Recently, Elon Musk, known globally for leading groundbreaking companies such as Tesla, SpaceX, and Neuralink, renewed his public attacks on the F-35 program. In a series of strong statements, Musk labeled the fifth-generation fighter jet from Lockheed Martin a multi-billion-dollar failure, criticizing its cost overruns, technical issues, and limited readiness for modern combat environments. GeoWar News highlights that Musk went even further by reposting articles describing the F-35 project as a betrayal of American taxpayers' trust and a threat to national security. These remarks had an immediate impact on financial markets, with Lockheed Martin shares dropping over 3%, demonstrating Musk's increasing political and strategic influence, particularly now that he holds a government advisory position focused on efficiency and innovation. Analyzing the F-35 program in detail, it's clear that the aircraft faced serious obstacles from its inception. The idea of designing a single aircraft capable of serving the U.S. Air Force, Navy, and Marine Corps introduced massive complexity. Musk emphasized that this jack-of-all-trades approach compromised the fighter's performance across the board, resulting in an aircraft that struggles to excel in any specific operational domain. The technical difficulties are numerous: propulsion system malfunctions, critical failures with its AESA radar, persistent delays in the mission system software, and ongoing problems with maintenance and reliability. A recent report from the Pentagon's Director of Operational Test and Evaluation confirms that, even after more than 2 decades of development, the F-35 still suffers from serious deficiencies in mission readiness. GeoWar News reports that the program is running almost a decade behind schedule and has exceeded its original budget by nearly $200 billion. Despite these issues, over 1,000 F-35 units have been delivered worldwide, including to key U.S. allies. In simulated combat scenarios, the F-35 has demonstrated an outstanding kill ratio, outperforming enemy aircraft by a factor of 20 to 1. Moreover, in Israel, currently the only nation employing the F-35 in high-intensity real-world combat, the jet has delivered exceptional performance, according to Israeli defense authorities. However, Musk argues that no combat success justifies the astronomical costs and operational risks associated with manned fighter programs. His deeper criticism questions the very relevance of piloted combat aircraft in the modern battlefield. With the rapid development of advanced air defense systems, hypersonic missiles, and increasingly sophisticated drones, he suggests that sending human pilots into contested airspace is becoming dangerously outdated. GeoWar News notes that Musk envisions a future dominated by autonomous drones capable of executing missions such as reconnaissance, air interdiction, and precision strikes far more effectively and at a fraction of the cost, all without risking human lives. He points to the ongoing conflict in Ukraine as a vivid example, where small, commercially available drones, modified for military use, are destroying armored vehicles and enemy positions at minimal cost. Musk's vision is one of intelligent, swarm-based drone warfare. These swarms would operate cooperatively, adaptively, and decentralized, overwhelming enemy defenses through numbers, speed, and coordinated artificial intelligence-driven strategies. It's a radical departure from the traditional air superiority doctrine that has underpinned American military dominance for decades. He also questions the future of stealth technology, suggesting that the combination of artificial intelligence and highly sensitive optical systems could render even the most advanced stealth aircraft visible. While controversial, this view has sparked intense debate among military technologists about the future viability of stealth in a world saturated with AI surveillance. Despite all its setbacks, including delays, budget overruns, and technical challenges, the F-35 remains one of the most advanced fighter jets in existence today. Its sensor fusion, network-centric warfare capabilities, and stealth design still provide it with unique advantages. Yet, as the defense landscape evolves, Critics argue that continuing to invest heavily in traditional manned fighters may not be sustainable in the long run. Musk advocates for a major realignment of military priorities. He envisions significant reductions in expensive manned fighter programs and a surge in investment toward autonomous drone systems. Startups like Anduril Industries, Shield AI, and Palantir Technologies are already developing AI-driven drone platforms capable of independent and cooperative battlefield operations. GeoWar News reports that these disruptive newcomers are positioning themselves as the future leaders of air warfare technology. If Musk successfully influences upcoming defense budgets, we could witness a transformational shift: fewer ultra-expensive fighters and much greater investment in high-tech drone swarms, cyber warfare capabilities, and AI-driven autonomous systems. The stakes are enormous. With billions of dollars and global security on the line, the battle over the future of air combat is only beginning. At GeoWar News, we will continue to monitor and report every major development in military aviation, defense technology, and the emerging era of drone warfare. Stay tuned as we bring you the latest updates from the battlefield of the future. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest insights from GeoWar News.